Hey guys, it's me, Kendall, and as you know, we're super excited about The Legend of Hercules. I'm obsessed with Roxanne McKee's Greek goddess hair in the film. Take a look at these exclusive behind-the-scenes photos. I got inspired by her gorgeous locks, and I want to show you how to get a similar everyday style in just 3 easy steps. First of all, you'll need the following 5 things: a curling iron, hairspray, a teasing comb, a hair tie, and some bobby pins. Now that you have all your essentials, I want to give you a brief summary of what we'll be doing. So first, we'll be curling our hair, then we'll twist back the top half into a ponytail, and finally, we'll turn our ponytail into a crown. You'll see how in just a minute. Okay, so step 1. Let's start off by curling our hair. I like to keep things a little dirty, meaning my hair, of course. When your hair's a little dirty, it'll curl better. I also add a little hairspray to my hair before I start curling and divide it into sections just to make sure I don't miss any pieces. Now that my hair is all curled, I'm going to use my teasing comb to divide my hair at the crown and tease the heck out of the top half. Once I've teased my hair, I'm going to twist back the top half of both sides into a ponytail and tie it with a rubber band. Okay, so this is the tricky part. You're going to flip your ponytail inside out. Create a hole with your fingers right by your rubber band, then take your ponytail and pull it through the hole. Finally, if you have any loose ends hanging out or you want to tighten up any parts, use your bobby pins to secure your hair. And voila! You have an everyday version of Greek goddess hair. Don't forget to check out The Legend of Hercules in theaters on January 10th.